Imagine transforming your maintenance operations into a powerhouse of efficiency. Lean isn't just for manufacturing, it's a game changer for maintenance too. Discover how Lean principles can maximize asset reliability and minimize costs. By shifting from reactive to proactive maintenance strategies, you can significantly enhance equipment reliability. Lean methodologies empower teams to focus on strategic asset care, contributing to the organization's bottom line. Understand the 7 wastes in maintenance: overproduction, waiting, transportation, overprocessing, inventory, motion, and defects. These inefficiencies can drain resources and hinder productivity. Learn how to spot and eliminate these inefficiencies in your operations. Transform your maintenance approach with a focus on value streams, ensuring every activity adds value to asset functionality. Implement the 5S methodology to create an organized and efficient workspace. By sorting, setting in order, shining, standardizing, and sustaining, you can significantly reduce search times and prevent errors. Use value stream mapping to identify bottlenecks and streamline processes. This tool helps pinpoint areas where value isn't added, allowing for targeted interventions to optimize resource allocation. Explore total productive maintenance, TPM, for maximizing equipment effectiveness. TPM engages all employees in routine checks and minor repairs, freeing skilled technicians for complex tasks. Standardize work processes to reduce variability and improve repair quality. Develop multi-skilled technicians for enhanced flexibility and responsiveness, contributing to overall efficiency gains. Embrace Kaizen for ongoing process and system improvements. Utilize data-driven insights to refine maintenance strategies, ensuring operations remain agile and optimized for long-term asset performance. Lean maintenance is a continuous journey towards operational excellence. Implement a robust CMS like ManWinWin to support lean initiatives and streamline workflows. Take the first step today to transform your maintenance operations. By embracing lean principles, you'll achieve significant gains in efficiency, reliability, and cost effectiveness.